Right now. No? How far are it? Sorry. Right to the back.
Can you imagine I'm carry good on it?
Everybody go down on the footpath. And it's going to run down. Wash out.
Drop down there. So I know yes or no. A good thing that carry over there now is somebody that people that dead in that.
So we have some. Jesus Christ. Somebody else no wall today. No, if it's solid, not solid. You have to put the boom off. When the Jesus Christ.
Is what happened. A man fell off in the hole. As you can see, there's a bicycle down there.
I think them we have to wait for it.
Yeah, we have to wait for them. Yeah, that man there wait for you cross. They are pretty man. I already know water.
How far are they fix them? What they can manage in?
Here we are in Seven Rivers. Believe it or not, this is the main road. The Seven Rivers is still on the road and there is nothing we can do. This bus got stuck. The community members here, they pack the road and they try to navigate people through it so they don't get damaged. So if you're coming through Seven Rivers, if you're going towards Cambridge, keep to the right. If you're going to Mobe, keep to the extreme left if you're going to take this route. The water cool and nice, but you don't want to get stuck like this bus. Keep to the extreme left if you're leaving Cambridge to go to Montego Bay, and extreme right if you're leaving Montego Bay heading towards Cambridge. If you can avoid it, don't come this route either because it's pretty difficult to navigate.
Yeah, it's no, but no overcross it, you know.
Estuary Montego Bay.
We go drop.
They can't swim.
We can't swim, but the limestone so soft, yeah, they try to come back out, they can't come back out. They drop more.
The mall soft.
At the mall, yeah. And put little layer, one thin layer of road over mall. Okay guys, so this is a more up close video with the truck that is stuck in the hole. They're seeing how best as possibly they can get this truck out without causing any more damage to the bridge and the truck as well.